you have to take care of your skin. If not, there's just no point. Just don't wear makeup. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So to all my new subbies, hey, I see you, what's good? All my subbies that's been here since day numero uno, what's good? Today I'm basically going to do a quick video on how to remove my makeup and how I wash my face and everything. Honestly, skincare is the #1 thing for makeup. Without flawless skin, you cannot ever have flawless makeup application. Now, I have combination skin. I have bigger pores all in this area. My pores get really wide. I get oily all here. And I'm very dry in these areas. To take off my makeup, I use coconut oil. Coconut oil and a damp rag. So this is what I use to take off my makeup. I don't use any makeup wipes or anything. They irritate my skin. They burn my skin. So I just take some coconut oil, a damp rag, and I don't use too much, but I use a generous amount. And I just put it all over my face, and it comes off so easy. So I just pat it off, like I just gently pat it. I don't want to put too much pressure on my skin. So this is how the washcloth looks. That's how the rag looks. The one thing I like about the coconut oil coming off your skin, it comes off so easy. Like, you saw how easy that was. When that's done, we're not going to reuse this rag. We're going to throw it out. Well, sorry, we're going to wash it, put it in the wash. But we're not reusing the rag for anything else. So I am using the Dermalogica. Don't mind my name on it. It came with 5 items. And it came with this is the special cleansing gel. This is the daily microfoliant. It's like a exfoliator. Oh, this is the massage cream. I'm not using it because I'm not doing a massage on my face. I'm not massaging my skin. I'm just doing a basic facial. They also have the skin soothing cream. Is it skin smoothing cream? Sorry. And that's like your moisturizer. Have this, which is called the multivitamin power firm, and this is for actually under your eye area, because your eye area, especially under here and all here, is very sensitive. I'm going to wash my face with the special cleansing gel. But when you're using the cleanser, you want to wash your face twice with the cleanser. So basically you want to wash out the dirt in your pores, and then you want to get back in there and wash the remaining dirt in your pores, because if you only wash it once, it does not clean your face the way you think it is. So I'm going to go wash my face twice with this cleanser, and I'll be right back. You want to pat your face dry. I do have one of these and everything. I didn't use it because I'm doing a quick video, and also your hands work just as fine. Don't get discouraged and feel like because you don't have one of those that you can't wash your face properly. Your face is going to be clean either way. After that, I'm going to exfoliate, but I'm actually not going to use this because you got to mix it with water, and I don't feel like doing that, so I'm going to get a different product. Okay, so I use the St. Ives exfoliator. It's the St. Ives Blemish Control Apricot. It's a St. Ives Blemish Control Apricot Scrub. Prevents blemishes and minimizes pores. Love this for my pores, oh my gosh. So for this one, you don't need water. So yep, so I use about this much. Take this. So you want to rub going up, and you want to be very gentle with this. You don't want to press it into your skin and rub too hard. Now you want to get hot water. If you have a steamer, you can get a steamer, and you basically put the steam on your face, and you rub it on the beach, and open those pores, because those pores need to be open, so when you put your mask on, it can penetrate. I usually do my facials in the shower, so I usually don't have to do this step. You take a clean rag, and I have some hot water that I heated up in the microwave. And you basically want to get the heat from the water to put in your face to create steam to open up those pores. I'm gonna put this on my face and let it sit till it gets, till it cools down. Now that my pores are nice and open, I'm going to use this Detox face mask. It is white tea and charcoal. This mask is okay. I don't really care for it because sometimes it irritates my skin, but it does depend on what products I use on my skin to cleanse. So I'm gonna try it just to see if it's gonna irritate my skin. If it does, then I know I'm throwing this in the trash. It's just like this. It's white. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there you go. White inside. I want to take this much, and I'm just gonna apply that in my combination areas, and on my chin, and on my nose. That's it. Alright, so this is irritating my skin a little bit. No wonder, like, look at these ingredients. Oh my god. Don't use this shit. This mask acts as a relaxation treatment for tired or irritated skin, as charcoal absorbs dirt and oil while soothing, and white tea heals skin and leaves your complexion back balanced. Alright, so it's not irritating my skin as bad as before, but that's still not good for my skin because it is irritating a little bit. Let it sit for 7 minutes. It says 7 to 10 minutes, but I'm gonna let it sit for 7. I might let it sit for 5, and then I'm going to wash this off, and I'll be right back. The last two things are actually the skin smoothing cream and the multivitamin powder cream. This is for your eyes, and this is to moisturize your skin. My skin is glowing already. You see that glow, y'all? Shoot. Look at that. And now for my cream for my eyes. Leave with my fingers, because remember, like I said, you want to be careful around your eye area. My face is glowing right now. Oh my goodness. You can use this lip exfoliator by e.l.f. I'm going to put that all over my lips. It's time to wipe off. Wipe this through. If anybody's going to stick by your side, it's Carmex until you lose it. Then when you lose it, you fucked. So. Alright, so this is my skincare routine, guys. This is the end of the video. If you like how I got this beautiful skin, nice and clean. I love my skin so clean, like you don't understand. Yeah. So if you like this video, don't forget to click a like, and I'ma check y'all in my next video.